Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Notion Aesthetic. To begin, select a consistent color palette for your workspace, aiming for 3 to 5 complementary shades. Next, personalize your pages with custom icons and cover images that reflect your style. Organize your content using clear headings and toggle lists to maintain a clean layout. Finally, consider embedding useful widgets for dynamic and interactive elements, enhancing both form and function. Personalizing your Notion pages is key to a great aesthetic. Start by choosing a primary color and 2 accent colors to define your theme. Then, explore icon packs to find custom icons that perfectly match your chosen style. Always use high-resolution images for page covers and banners to ensure a crisp, professional appearance. A minimalist approach often works best, creating a clean and uncluttered workspace. Effective content organization significantly enhances your Notion aesthetic. Employ headings like H1, H2, and H3 to establish a clear information hierarchy on your pages. Utilize toggle lists to neatly hide detailed information, revealing it only when necessary. Create linked databases to manage interconnected information efficiently across your workspace. Always maintain consistent spacing and alignment for improved readability and a polished look. Adding dynamic elements and integrations can truly elevate your Notion aesthetic. Embed calendar widgets to visually display your schedule and upcoming events directly on your page. Integrate weather widgets for quick, at-a-glance access to current forecasts. You can also add Spotify or YouTube embeds for background ambience while you work. Furthermore, utilize progress bars to visually track your goals and project milestones, adding a functional and engaging touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.